What's up everyone, I'm Navid and this is Hyperpix. Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can apply this chrome look or iridescent look to our texts and also to our logo. And you wouldn't believe, but it only takes you less than 2 minutes. It's got a lot of details and a lot of work on it, but it's very easy to use, very simple to apply. Okay, to edit the text, right click on the yellow layer and choose Edit Content. In the new window, we got two text layers. Write your own text. Okay, fonts are presented to you in a separate folder, so don't worry about that, but make sure you have installed it already. Okay. Okay. Double click on the text and I want to write my own text here on Chrome. There it is. Kingdom. There it is. This is my text. I want to actually move it around a little bit. Okay. I'm going to close it and choose Save. There it is. In less than 2 minutes. There it is. As you can see here. Okay, if you wanted to change this text, you can double click on it and write whatever you want, and also another text. Okay, there's a little bit of lighting here. You can also change its color. Choose color overlay with a double click on it and give it every color you want. There it is. That's all we had to do. Okay, let's see how can we apply this style to our logo. Okay, you choose Edit Content on the right click and choose your own logo and import it in this new window. Okay, let's close them and close it and choose yes. There it is. There it is. Very easy, very sweet. As you can see, check out those details. Super metallic look. If you want to design this, it will take you hours, but all we did was 2 minutes and with a couple of moves, very easy, and it can save you a lot of time. Okay, if you want to get this logo in PNG, all you gotta do is to deactivate the background folder and also a light folder. There it is, transparent totally and ready to use every place you want. Okay, if you want to get this text effect, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and download hundreds of other text effects and get them to your own next project. So I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.